Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals in one night. First, gather all your notes, textbooks, and study guides. Next, quickly scan through your syllabus or past assignments to identify the most important topics. Prioritize these based on how much they'll be weighted on the exam and your current understanding. This initial setup is crucial for maximizing your limited time. Now, let's dive into efficient review. Instead of passively rereading, actively test yourself. Try explaining concepts aloud or writing down everything you remember about a topic. Create very brief summaries of the most challenging areas. Utilize flashcards or quickly work through a few practice questions to solidify your understanding. This active engagement is far more effective than just looking at notes. To boost your memory, try using mnemonic devices for tricky information. Think of acronyms or visual associations. Remember to take short, strategic breaks, perhaps every 25 to 30 minutes, to prevent burnout and help your brain process information. During these breaks, stand up, stretch, or grab a quick, healthy snack. Staying hydrated is also key to maintaining focus throughout the night. As the night winds down, do a final quick scan of your summarized notes, focusing on any areas you still feel less confident about. Crucially, aim for at least 4 to 6 hours of sleep before your exam. Pulling an all-nighter can actually hinder performance. Finally, approach your exam with a positive and calm mindset. You've done what you can, now trust yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.